MasterCard, the big global credit card company. Everyone knows MasterCard and everyone uses MasterCard. But is MasterCard looking to help banks and other financial institutions offer cryptocurrency trading? Say what? Yeah, I said it. So in today's video, let's talk about MasterCard and its ability to launch a program that lets financial institutions offer cryptocurrency trading to their clients. You don't want to miss this. So, MasterCard is launching a program that lets, get this, financial institutions and banks to offer cryptocurrency trading to their clients. Say what? So this payment giant will act like a bridge between cryptocurrency trading platform that's already used by PayPal and banks, and MasterCard's program will handle all the regulatory compliance and security, two core reasons banks cite for avoiding the asset class, which is cryptocurrency. There are a lot of consumers out there that are literally interested in this and intrigued by crypto, but would feel a lot more confident those services were offered by their financial institutions, says Joran Lambert, MasterCard's Chief Digital Officer. So MasterCard is looking to bring cryptocurrency to the masses by making it easier for banks to get involved. So the payments giant plans to announce a program that will help financial institutions offer cryptocurrency trading, the company told CNBC. MasterCard will act as a bridge between a cryptocurrency trading platform already used by PayPal to offer a similar service, and banks, according to the company. MasterCard will handle regulatory compliance and security, two core reasons banks cite for avoiding the asset class. I mean, they avoid cryptocurrency for a whole lot more reasons than that, but MasterCard, let's go with that. Some consumers have been skeptic though. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are known for volatility, and if you don't know what volatility means, it means that it's not stable. Bitcoin tends to fluctuate up and down and up and down, and so that's the volatility that they're talking about. And the world's top digital assets have lost more than half of their value this year alone. The industry has suffered billions in hacks since January. And if you don't know what the hacks are talking about, just go back and look at the Mt. Gox scandal. We talked about the Binance scandal as well. Then we had the Razzleken. I can go on and go on and go on. But, hit the YouTube channel. This is the list right here. Just go back and read those so you can know what the industry has suffered since the inception. Back to this. Coupled with multiple high-profile bankruptcies. MasterCard's Chief Digital Officer said polling still shows demand for the asset, but roughly 60% of respondents said they would rather test the waters through their existing banks. Of course, because you trust your bank. Or do you? There's a lot of consumers out there that are really interested in this and intrigued by crypto, or would feel a little more confident in those services if they're being offered by their financial institutions. And this is MasterCard's Chief Digital Officer, Joran Lambert, pretty much told CNBC in an interview. It's a little scary to some people still, and it should be. Crypto, even though it's been out for a while, crypto is still unknown to a lot of people, and so it's scary. People tend to fear what they don't know, and that's okay. But we got large investment banks like Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and JP Morgan have dedicated crypto teams actually, but have largely avoided offering it to consumers. And so, as of this video last week, JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon called cryptocurrencies decentralized Ponzi's. I beg your pardon? What did he just say? At an Institute for International Finance event. If banks do not embrace this MasterCard partnership model, it may mean even more competition for Coinbase and other exchanges operating in the US. The payments company said its role is to keep banks on the right side of regulation by following cryptocurrency compliance rules, also verifying transactions and providing anti-money laundering and identity monitoring services. It says MasterCard will pilot product in the first quarter of next year, then crank the handle to expand in more places, more demographics, etc., etc. Lambert declined to say which banks have signed up so far. What we can say for sure, it's not going to be Bank of America. It's not going to be JP Morgan Chase. It's not going to be Citibank. It's not going to be TD Bank. Who else is a top tier bank? Pretty much all the top tier banks have declared war against crypto. Okay, and so even right now, if you're banking at a top tier bank, be careful, be wary, because top tier banks right now are anti-crypto. And so if they discover that you are buying cryptocurrency, namely Bitcoin, with one of their accounts, they will disable your account. And in the worst case scenario, they will destroy your account. So sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but that's how those banks work. They're very fearful of cryptocurrency, namely Bitcoin. And so any remnants, any transactions, and it's tied to Bitcoin, it's safe to say that your account will be destroyed and you will be eliminated. Well, maybe not eliminated, but your account will get suspended. You won't have access to your account. So what's happening so far? While the industry is living through a bear market or crypto winter, again, I did a episode on crypto winter. Just, go ahead and watch that video on crypto winter. Lambert says more activity down the road could lead to more transactions and fuel MasterCard's core business. It would be short-sighted to think that a little bit of crypto winter heralds the end of it. We don't see that, he said. As regulation comes in, there is going to be a higher degree of security available to cryptocurrency platforms, and we will see a lot of the current issues getting resolved in the quarters in the years to come. Let's take some time to mention our sponsors. Virsympay is a merchant-based processing platform similar to Stripe and PayPal. If you're looking to accept credit card payments or ACH payments in your business, Virsympay is the way to go. Another sponsor is Virsympay, the premier cryptocurrency exchange. If you're looking to purchase Bitcoin or other crypto, Virsympay is your place. I'll post a link to the website below. And finally, for those comic and manga lovers, Damien Angelic is your manga. Join Jahara on his quest to unravel the mysteries of the Negesis Shard. I'll post a link to the description below. MasterCard and Visa have both been on partnership sprees in crypto. MasterCard has already teamed up with Coinbase on NFTs to let banks and merchants in its network offer crypto-related services, and Visa partnered with FTX to offer crypto debit cards in 40 countries and has more than 70 crypto partnerships. American Express has said it's exploring using its cards and network with stablecoins, which are pegged to the price of $1 or another fiat currency. Okay, so what's the conclusion? Cryptocurrencies, ironically, were meant to disrupt banks and middlemen like MasterCard and Visa. Their underlying technology, blockchain, allows transactions to move without intermediaries. Still, Lambert said they haven't seen industry pushback on their involvement. Crypto is on the cusp of really going mainstream and still needs to team up with the incumbent players to get there, he said. It's hard to believe that crypto industry will truly go mainstream without embracing the financial industry as we know it now, Lambert says. The 2022 MasterCard New Payments Index reported that 29% of respondents globally hold cryptocurrency as an investment. Wow, that's a big number, with another 65% indicating a preference for crypto-related services to be provided by their current trusted financial institution. Way to go. A round of applause for crypto. The MasterCard program is currently being prepared for the pilot programs. Additional details on a broader availability will be made available at a later date. If you like today's content, please give us a like and also smash the subscribe button. It gives you updates whenever we release new content. This is Dario Roberts with the final farewell. Ah, yeah.